Welcome to MarineMax in Somers Point, New Jersey. My name is Bill Herr. Today we're going to be doing a quick walkthrough of this new listing that I have. This is a 2022 Scout 195 Sportfish. Heading back to the back of the boat here, you can see nice seating option for two people, very comfortable. You get that Mercury 115. This only has about 26 hours on the engine. Spinning around, you can see that nice rod storage underneath the starboard side there. You also have it under the port side as well. Nice option for a 19-foot boat. Spinning around to the helm. Simrad screen that the customer added. It's also got your standard gauges and all your switches there. Underneath you have a little storage area for documents as well as your battery charger. And then a dual helm seat here. It does have the footrest down below. And then you also have your live well underneath. Nice use of space. That way it's not taking up any other space for seating. Then you have the backrest that comes out. You can have some rod holders in there as well. You have storage underneath the helm here. You can see they have some fenders and stuff in there, your cleaning products, all that. Nice use of storage. You also come up to the front here. This boat has the padding kit up there, nice seating option, as well as the padded cooler top there. So you got an igloo cooler, whether you want to have drinks or food or some catch of the day, you can do that. And then you also have the Minn Kota trolling motor up there. Nice option for this boat, great for fishing the back bays here in New Jersey. You can also use this boat for crabbing. Just a nice kind of run around boat for around here in New Jersey. Perfect option, very clean, very little use out of this boat. Again, it's only got 26 hours on it. So if you have any questions or you'd like to see this boat in person, feel free to reach out to me on this 2022 Scout 195 Sportfish. Again, my name is Bill Herr. You can reach me on my cell, which is 484-680-4392. Thank you, and we'll see you on the water.